Good morning, class. I am Lakshman Singh with you here along with your new topic, arc properties of circles. So let us see what are arcs and what are the properties. Let us see arc properties of circle. So first of all, we must know what is an arc. So arc is a part of a circumference of circle like this. If this part we have taken, this is called an arc. Anywhere we can take, that is called arc. So equal arcs subtend equal angles at the circumference and center. We have drawn here two equal arcs. We can see this arc and this arc we have taken. So from this arc we are making angle at circumference. We can see that this we have made an angle. Similarly we have made this angle. Then both angles will be equal. Equal arcs subtend equal angle at circumference. Similarly, we can see here we have taken two equal arcs, this much arc, this much, and this. These two arcs we have taken equal. So they will subtend equal angle at center. This is our first property. Equal arcs subtend equal angle at center and circumference. Then equal chords cut off equal arcs and equal arcs cut off equal chords. So we can see here that we have taken this arc and this arc both equal. So whatever chord will be made, like this chord is made and here this chord is made, both chords will be equal. It means equal arcs cut off equal chords, and if we have taken two equal chords in a circle, then they will cut off equal arcs. Equal chords cut off equal arcs and equal arcs cut off equal chords. Let us start exercise 14. Question number 2. Prove that the angle subtended at the center of a circle is bisected by the radius passing through the midpoint of the arc. So let us see that here we are given an arc, that is complete arc APB, and midpoint of this arc is taken as P. So P is midpoint of arc AB. If P is midpoint of arc AB, then AP will be equal to BP. Arc AP will be equal to arc AP. Arc AP equal to arc BP. We know that now. Equal arcs subtend equal angles at center. Equal arc, these AP arc and this BP arc, subtending equal angles at center. Now both the angles are equal. It means OP. Therefore angle AOP equal to angle BOP, that is OP bisects angle AOB. This only we have to prove. Let us take question number 4. Prove that in a cyclic trapezium the non-parallel sides are equal. So we can see that this is a cyclic quadrilateral whose one pair of opposite side is parallel. We can see that this side is parallel to this. So it is a cyclic trapezium. Now ABCD is a cyclic trapezium. So here AB is parallel to CD. Now we have to prove that non-parallel side, means this side and this side are equal. So we can see that angle, we have drawn this BD. We have joined this BD like this. Now you see, so angle ABD equal to angle BTC. Angle ABD, this angle ABD and angle BDC, we can see that this angle, both will be equal because these two lines are parallel and BD is transversal. So they are alternate interior angle, so that is why they are equal. Now these two angles are equal. Angle ABD is subtended by arc AD and angle BDC is subtended by arc BC. Both arcs are subtending equal angle. We can see that angles subtended by chords are equal. Angles subtended by both the chords AD and BC are equal. Therefore, BC equal to AD. Therefore, chords will be equal. If angles are equal, then chords are equal. If chords are equal, then they will subtend equal angles. So, therefore, non-parallel sides are equal. Let us take question number 7. In the given figure, two chords AB and CD of a circle intersect at P if AB equal to CD. AB and CD chords are equal, then prove that arc AD equal to arc CB. So we can see that here two chords AB and CD are given. AB chord equal to CD chord. Both chords are equal. So we can say arcs ADB and arc CBD both are equal. Equal chords cut off equal arcs. Now this arc BD is common in both. We subtract arc BD from both. Arc ABD minus arc BD. Then arc CBD minus arc BD. Now on subtracting we can see that from ABD, if you subtract ABD, you subtract BD, you get arc AD. So we get here arc AD equal to arc BC. This only we have to prove. So here we give over with this chapter. So for next topic we will see in the next class. Thank you.